The age-old question of how to post to Instagram from your PC or Mac has finally been answered. What's up creatives, it's Seb here, back with another video. Now if you've clicked on this, you know exactly why you're here. You want to find out how to post photos and videos straight from Instagram using your desktop or Mac. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. You're not going to need any third-party apps, you just have to log into Instagram on your computer and you'll be able to post. So if you're an Android user, this is going to be super game-changing because you can now finally post high-quality photos and videos without getting that horrible Android compression. So before we jump right into it, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And now let's get right into the video. First things first, go ahead and open up your Instagram page, and right off the bat you'll see that there's this brand new button right here. If you click on that, you'll then be able to add your photos and videos. I'm gonna quickly change my account so you can see that it's not only just my account that has it, other accounts have it. This is my creativesclub.store. You can go ahead and grab some merch if you want, but you can see we're logged in. If we go to my profile, you can see that we also have this button right here. So if we open it up, you can then go and drag your image in just like this, and you can do all your basic stuff. You can change your aspect ratio, so 1:1, 4:5, 16:9, and then of course you have your original. So if we go ahead and change it to 4:5, you can also press this button right here, and then you can add multiple images. So if I wanted to add this little close-up of her as well, we can then go to that one, and then, yeah, we've added a collage. So that's really awesome. If you go ahead and press next, you can then add all of your filters. You can change the intensity right here, but obviously I don't want to add that. You can also do all of your basic adjustments like brightness and contrast. Go ahead and press next. Once you're happy, you can then add your text. You can add your location, accessibility, advanced settings, so turning off your comments, all of your alt text here, and you can even tag people. So if I wanted to tag myself, Sebastian Jeffries, go ahead and do that. I'm tagged. I'm just gonna put test post, there you go. And then we're gonna press share, and then you'll see in literally 2 seconds, it's gonna be posted on Instagram. I've done that completely on desktop in a matter of minutes. So we go ahead and press that button, I think, refresh the page, and then bada boom, new photo. And we've already got a like, look at that. So awesome stuff. You can see the quality is super awesome. So now that I've shown you that, let's go ahead and finish off the video. So now you know how to easily post photos and videos to Instagram from your desktop. Now before you click off this video, I do want to ask you a quick question. I just bought this brand new Sigma 85mm f1.4, and I want to ask you, would you like to see a cool POV photography video of me in London shooting with this lens? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you do want to see it, I'll make it as soon as possible. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.